Hello, welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, we'll be creating a 3D flag in Corel Draw. So let's get to work. We're going to using the B-Spline tool. B-Spline tool helps us to create curves. Okay, so you can see how this just turns out. Just click. You can have very nice curve. Double click to end this. And with the shape tool, you can edit how these curves actually forms. Okay, you just click and drag on the node. You'll be able to edit. Okay, I think I'll be fine with this. Alright, so now the next thing we are going to do is to duplicate these lines. So pick the node, see how you are extending them at an angle of 45 degrees thereabouts. Okay. Okay, left click to duplicate, then Ctrl D or Ctrl R. You get more copies of this line, so I'll just reduce it a little so it gets into my workspace. I want it to stay within the page. Alright, so I'll just create another with the freehand to just create another intersecting line. I would like this line to intersect with this. Duplicate this one from here, and also possibly we can make from this edge so we have an intersection. Increase this. Just make sure that this overlaps. Okay. Get this one. Okay, so now with our shape smart field tool, we can start building the shapes. Okay, do the same. Okay, see where we have the challenge. So this, and so I can just get this to cross, then fill. Okay, same challenge somewhere here. To get this guy to align properly. Alright, so having done that, so we continue building the shape. We have this, and we have this guy to build. Okay, the same thing, we have this. Yeah. Okay, so I'll change the color of my, let me just tweak this a little. So I just have, we want to make green, white, green flag. So I just had to do that so you can distinguish the colors. Okay, so now this object, so select this and select it and weld it together to make an object. The same thing applies to this, and weld. Okay, then for this angle too, pick this, and we weld. Okay, let's see what the challenge is from. We can take these guys off. Okay, so this is what we have. Weld this together so that blends out properly. Then we can select this, and this, weld it. Okay, and for this portion we have this and this, weld it together. And here we have this. Okay, so I can sort this, delete that, and let's just build that part again. Let's build that part again so you see. In times like this, you can actually edit some of these unwanted areas manually. You can edit that manually, and with your shape tool, just take off the parts that are not aligning. Okay, so we have this. Can bring this here. So we can weld it and this together. I think that solves it. If you check out here, you see some lines that are not needed, so you can just edit them. All of that happens when you don't align put up the lines properly. So we are building the Nigerian flag, so we are going to use the green, white, green for the Nigerian colors. I'll delete all the other lines. We've already built our shape, so just delete all these other external lines. Okay, so now this is a flag, just a little final touch and we'll be good to go. So what we can do here now is to give it some bit of depth. So for this portion, I use interactive fill to click and drag and fill it in with a darker shade of green. We can cut this process by using the attribute eyedropper and copy this fill in here. Okay, so with interactive fill to do the same thing here. Okay, alright, so you can see how this turns out. And for this middle part, we have all of that. So let's still use interactive fill too and pick this. Now you can double click at the middle of this to add another node so we can add an extra color. So just pick, so now you can actually adjust these colors to fit in what you're looking for, just to get that 3D effect. So we take off the outline. So here is our flag. So if you are new to this channel and find this tutorial interesting, consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like and share. Alright, so this is our 3D logo of the Nigerian flag. So I'll give the word Nigerian flag. Okay, just use any font of my choice here. Then I'll just insert a little custom right up below here, a text frame, put a placeholder. Okay, so you can see that if I want to increase this, I can actually increase the size of the text frame. Make this ×3. I'll just delete all of that. Make the placeholder a bit bigger for the text and insert the placeholder text so I have more right up. Can use any of the alignments. Let me do right, left. So I can reduce this a bit, fit it to frames. I need it to be smaller. So if you have any question or something you don't understand about the process, drop your questions in the comment section below and I'll be right here to attend to it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now.